PNI Adventure F30 is a medium-sized flashlight made of aluminum alloy, specially designed for those users who need a high-performance flashlight. The flashlight with a very bright light illuminates at a very long distance with an ideal beam. The lantern's intensity is 3000 lumens and the maximum illumination distance is 520 meters. The PNI Adventure F30 rechargeable LED flashlight can be used both in professional activities, airport, factories, shipyards, car service, in professional tactical activities, garden protection, police, rescue, army, mountain rescue, and in domestic and outdoor activities, nature, camping, hiking, tent, house, car, etc. The flashlight PNI Adventure F30 comes with a newly developed Q switch. Simply press the button to switch to one of the three modes: the high, medium, off, strobe and dim, decrease light levels. The flashlight is equipped with a 30-watt Cree XHP70 LED with a high-efficiency circuit. The kit includes two lithium-ion 4000 mAh batteries that offer up to 1.8 hours of extended battery life, a dual-disc feeder and an additional wired remote control for remote flash control.